Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Today we are going to make a very super simple salmon fish fry. Now this fry requires just the basic ingredients, that is salt, black pepper and red chili powder. Yes, no fancy masalas needed. With these three basic ingredients we are going to marinate the fish. So the recipe is very simple. We are going to coat the fish on both sides well with these masala. And then we are going to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we are going to pan fry the salmon with 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter until it's perfectly cooked. It's funny how our taste can change. I come from a state in India where fish is like kind of a staple in our daily meals. We eat a variety of local fish, but I've never ever seen salmon before moving to Singapore. The first time I had salmon was at a restaurant here. They had served it steamed. And honestly, I didn't like the fish at first. But over time, I started to appreciate its unique flavor and texture. And now it's like one of my all-time favorites. Now back to the recipe. We will cook the salmon for about 4 minutes on one side until it develops a nice beautiful golden color. Then we are going to carefully flip it over and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Now this salmon fish fry pairs wonderfully with rice, a bowl of soup or some fresh veggies. Do give this recipe a try. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more simple and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.